following a report that was published in one of the country's newspapers to the effect that if you have tested negative for HIV, you should go back and test because chances are the testing machine could not be able to dictate the virus. Speaking during an interview with Swazi TV, NERCHA Director Khanya Mabuza said for the country to win the war against HIV and AIDS, testing is the entry point for people to get help, hence it is very crucial. Mabuza allayed the public's fears on the results they get when testing for HIV because he said the testing kits used are of international standards.
There's been a lot that we have done as a country when it comes to testing. When you recall years back, the level of testing or the prevalence of testing in Swaziland was quite low, but the rate has gone up. We are working close to 60-65% now of the population knowing their HIV status. So we really need to emphasize and encourage people to go for an HIV test. It saves lives, a lot of lives because of your test results. And secondly, if you are negative, you can maintain yourself to remain negative. So testing remains key to all of us. Coming back to the quality of our HIV testing programs, we do have a national program that talks about testing and how we have to conduct testing as a country. And I must underscore the point that we are not just doing our own ways of testing. These are standard operational procedures that we are following, and we're following guided by the WHO guidelines and other guidelines that we are following. We haven't had any news that Swaziland is substandard. So Swaziland has been audited, the laboratories are verified, and we are very confident with the programs that we are doing. Coming to the point that we might have errors in our results and we do not have to trust our HIV results, I think that is very unfortunate. It's a very sweeping statement because there are procedures that you follow when you conduct tests. And then if you are negative, there's a way to confirm that you are negative. And then if you are positive, there is a way to confirm that you are positive. I mean, we talk about the test being sensitive. We talk about the test being very specific. So these are standards that the country or our strategy is following. So as an example, we believe that our laboratories are very sensitive. So if you are positive, the sensitivity stands at 98.8, which if we've got 1,000 people, 998 of those people, the tests that you are going to get are real. Yes, people are arguing about the human error. There is probably a human error, but we do what we call a confirmatory test. So there is the
Lenhle Dube of the Swaziland National AIDS Program, or SNAP, reiterated Mabuza's words, adding that those who conduct the tests are well trained.
The services that we offer to them, it is of high quality. The people that are offering the services are trained. We've got trained nurses in the facilities. We've got trained counselors that are in the communities. And before they actually conduct a test, every morning they conduct what we call proficiency panel testing using the HIV rapid test kits that we use in the country. And when they do that, they are trying to ensure that they are whatever service that they are going to give is of high quality, and the results that are going to be given to the people are the correct results.
Both Mabuza and Dube emphasized that those who test negative at first instance are always encouraged to come back for another test after 3 months so that they can be sure of the results. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Ngubane with LinkedIn Gule Mbabane.